So on my way down to SPE, driving along.
You're driving along.
That smell. Smelled something. Check out what the heck it is. There just happens to be a dirty diaper in my back seat. That the heat, because I had the heat on floor, so the heat's just blowing on this dirty diaper. I forgot it was back there. All right, what the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Today, tuning the Mustang. Dan's 2012 Mustang. Did the 15 plus Coyote swap in it. Got rid of the 11 to 12 Coyote. So we're gonna see what kind of power it puts down. If you guys follow the channel, we made a video a little while back about doing the guess the horsepower video. So we gave you kind of a spec breakdown of the car, exactly what is gonna be in it. So this will be the answer to that video here, what the car is actually gonna put down horsepower wise. We did mention in that video that we were gonna tune it on nitrous. In fact, we are not tuning it on nitrous. No nitrous as of right now, basically just fuel only. It is tuned on Renegade 110 race fuel, so that will make a small difference, but let's go check it out. What kind of power is she gonna make?
850, 900-ish? I'm guessing.
We need a to the point number.
To the point? I'll go 850. I don't really know.
850 on the nose. If it goes
854. 854.
Okay, 854. Ronnie's guess 854.
What's your guess?
I never actually guessed.
You kind of have to.
All right, so I'm going 835. 835, race gas, no nitrous, 835. Dude, that hurt my ears. Woohoo! 838. 7 what core?
And I didn't adjust time, so that makes sense. 65, 7. What made its most horsepower at 650? Yes.
Dude, what'd I say? 835. Yeah. 838. You owe me. Owe me a Red Bull. Dude, look good on that. Cummins, you got the tractor going. Woo! What are you doing?
Stop.
You a tractor mechanic now.
I have to be. I gotta move that big ass pile of scrap outside. So I guess New Holland's the problem with it is the clutch, or like the pressure plate will like rust itself to the clutch somehow.
Oh my
To the
God.
flywheel or something.
So by going smaller pulley, it adds more boost?
It turns the blower to higher RPM. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Got enough weight if you stay there. Let's see what we got here. It's a big boy. This one feels light.
Light, little guy.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's a 1/4 inch smaller. We'll go with this guy.
All right, so how does it work here according to Whipple? Every 1/8 inch you go smaller, you gain
1 PSI.
1 PSI. Okay, so we're going 1/4 inch smaller, so gain 2 PSI.
Which, that's the smallest pulley we can put on.
Smallest one you can go, 2.75.
So, whatever. Yeah, it's 838, 751.
Yep, as you can see right there on the 3-inch pulley. So now we're going to drop her down to the 2.75. See what we can make happen. Now that you're done jerking around with the tractor, we're actually going to do something here.
I'm not doing shit.
2.75 pulley, pull number 2. Less power, 821. 771 torque though.
It knocked.
What?
It knocked.
Okay.
So it started pulling timing. Maximus Prime. Wow, look at that.
Wow, you just accomplished greatness.
Learn how to airdrop something, guys.
All right, Dan, so give us a quick run through on
The blue turd.
on the
Little blue pill.
the little blue.
That's what Amy calls it. So, with the 110 fuel in it, which we're still kind of up on whether the fuel's actually 100% good, because it sat for a while. It ended up pulling timing when we upped the boost. It was barely pulling any timing when we were running it on the
On the 3-inch?
on the 3-inch pulley at like 20. It was like 21 pounds of boost. And then we switched to that and bumped it up to like 23, which increased the possibility of detonation because
Right.
we increased the boost. So since that happened, it got a little bit more knock, and these engines have knock sensors, so when they see it, they're able to, when tuned correctly, they're able to actually pull timing out so it won't hurt the motor.
Okay.
So it pulled a little bit of timing, and it's kind of where we're at. So, like Ronnie said, it did make more torque with that. So
Good
the
call.
torque could definitely equal or quicker elapse time at the track just
Yeah.
because of the added torque. I mean, 20 foot-pounds is 20 foot-pounds. So we can just adjust the timing in the tune so it doesn't have to pull it negatively,
Okay.
and then it should be at least around that 830 mark with
More torque.
yeah. And if we do switch it to E85, like, because that's, we're on gasoline right now. So if we do switch it to E85, it will make more power. More than likely, just because of the cooling effect of the fuel.
Yeah.
So But I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, I think that's pretty solid. So.
All right, guys. So there you have the numbers. 821 it made on the small pulley because it pulled timing. So there needs to be a slight timing adjustment, one more timing adjustment for the smaller pulley, which should bump it back up to the somewhere in the 838 mark, and then you'll still be running the about 771 torque. So there's your difference between a 2.75 pulley and a 3-inch pulley on a Whipple supercharger for a Mustang. So now what?
We should put a rotor in this fucking thing.
So hold on real quick. Explain to the YouTube how rotary engines work.
Essentially, it looks like a little Dorito that spins.
So there you go. A rotary engine looks like a spinning Dorito.
It literally does. They're crazy.
You leaving?
Yeah, dude. Every fucking show or everything ends with Ronnie going home.
Yep, he just fires it up. See you later. You always bail out on us.
Got shit going on. We're always like, oh, it's gonna be.
All right, guys. So there you have the actual dyno results. 838, 771
Was the best torque, yeah.
was the best. Race gas, Renegade 110. Yeah, he's still up in the air about it. Might switch that or what? Do like an E85
Maybe.
swap,
We'll
possibly.
see.
I don't know.
Whatever.
Still up in the air, but as of right now, that is what the car's putting down. 838, 771. We're going to go through and check the comments on the first video we made about this thing for Guess the Horsepower. So you guys will be contacted. Keep an eye out for that. All right, guys. So always hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. We are about done here today. It's getting cold and I'm freezing. So stay tuned for what we have. We have a bunch planned. But all right, that's it. I'm getting ready to head to the house. I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
It literally looks like a Dorito. Like a Dorito.